Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. Welcome to the next lesson in the series, Introduction to Lazarus IDE. As you know, we're already working on my third book, so we're presenting it now, and I'll also show where we've come. I've already done the cover. Here's the title. Introduction to Lazarus IDE. Minus part the third. Plus practical program system, my shop. Here's what it's all about. Let's take a look. Now we are currently in my second book. Having already reviewed the paid chapters and working with SQLConnector, and we're currently looking at the work at this point with Firebird 5. Let's open the PDF file as well. So in Firebird 5 it's almost the same as in Firebird 2.5, with the difference being that here embedded is a bit conditional, because we said that officially there is no Firebird 5 embedded version. So, here in the same way as in the previous example, we will work using as a basis one of the two projects. Here I have described the pros and cons. Here we remove this component again, we put others, we save. It's absolutely the same scheme. Let's show it practically in Lazarus IDE. Here is our program. As we said, here we need to go to chapter 7, where our project with Firebird 5 is, but before that we need to get the files from here. We press Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C and select all of these files, and we go now to where we are, in chapter 7, where our Firebird 5 project is. And we put these files with Ctrl+V and now we can compile and run. We wait. That's it. Here we will create a new base, so we can see the creation again. And I will write it again, new base. I press save. Here is a message that it was created successfully. I click OK and press the button to display the data and you see the same data. Here the button is to connect to an existing database, and we see where we have one. We don't really have any other base, other than the one we just created. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.